30 grand wedding, there no 30 grand dresser. I no 30 grand picture, no 30 grand rock, not all. The contractor, who want back everything. The contractor, who want back everybody.
Mommy?
Prince, me there you know. Where you say teacher name again?
Professor Meningitis.
Oh, alright.
What me miss there? Cause me go on the back and check, but me not see her.
But the last time I checked, Maze and her family were sleeping.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, Prince, me gonna look for you right now. Right now. Alright, take care.
Me and this meningitis woman today, because if she thinks she gonna come give my son 39%, I make him 1% short of the 40%, I mean first pay money, that now go on today. Me and this meningitis woman today. Today, me I burn it down.
Thank God I got those papers done. Can't even meet the girls at Cafe Blue.
Miss Meningitis. Mwa meningitis.
Hello? And my name is Professor Meningitis. Please don't refer to me as Miss. And can I help you, Miss?
But that lady here door. Where you know about me?
You said you had a complaint. I'm listening.
My son Prince, aka Berry, Chainberry, aka my wash belly. My nice pretty clean skin, no pimples, no mosquito bite. Son, tell me, say the pass mark of 40%. And away come give him, 49%. More 1% justice.
I'm sorry, what did you say your kid's name is again?
Listen to me, lady. My nice pretty clean skin look like the goat here. If me feel say dog, I could give and take. But I call my son now goat. Kinda look like a kid.
Now I know who you're referring to, okay? Alright, just look at this right here. This is your son's paper, alright? This is it right here. This shows very poor use of the English language, alright? I teach English language and practicality. And I'm sorry, ma'am, but this is just showing very poor quality in the English language, alright? Just look at this example right here.
I'm sorry, no big word to do. I mean, teach him that, you know.
There's
nothing wrong with the sentence.
What do you mean nothing is wrong?
There's nothing wrong with this.
This is wrong, alright? This is bad English, alright?
There's nothing wrong with this guy, but this will be.
Okay, you know what? The fact is, I was being generous when I gave him 39%. The truth is, I should have given him worse.
What do you mean by you are being very generous? Never have I been seen my son fail a test yet. Never have I been seen anyone fail a test by 1% yet. So you want me and my son sit down on my yard afraid?
Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna stand here and take, alright? Security! Security!
Me need justice! Real justice! Everybody have to get mashed down today. Teacher mashed down. Lecturer mashed down. Student I get mashed down. Everybody I get mashed down. Come on, want back all of my money. I want back me money.
Can you refrain from acting in that boo-too behavior? I mean, isn't that what you people call it?
How about the swore twin sister know about me they do? You could have left all angles last week when we turned that down. And see the spotlight ever follow me. Spotlight ever follow me because last week me all make nose. How would I gotta know about me though?
Okay, what dance is that you're doing? It's like Dirty Wine? I mean, wasn't that dance like 4 years ago?
I know dirty wine this. My wine them ever clean, ever fresh. But show better in my wine. Fabulous in my wine. J's in my wine. My wine have no fab in there, so don't call none of my wine them dirty. See there, this a clean wine.
You know what? Miss Bashko Shopping Center 2013, I demand that you evaporate from the premises.
But I wanted a camper ball face, girl.
What?
And a 30 grand sneaks, and a
That's not
30 grand
touching.
sweater.
That's not fair.
And a 30 grand,
Okay, you
and
know
a
what?
10
Stop
grand.
it. The fact of the matter is, your son needs to pay to resit
we
that
are-
exam.
what?
Okay? And that's final.
If I solve the case, I want justice.
This-
I need justice.
No, you
I
can't-
want my money
what?
for semester 1 and semester 2.
Calm down.
I want my money.
What is wrong with you?
I need my
Okay,
money.
stop it. All right, you know
I
what?
want
You know what? This is
justice.
just not
My
going anywhere.
vagina.
This is just not going anywhere, all right? The night has come. I need to get home. And I wish you all the best on your justice. Goodbye.
Few of them dog shit. call the vice principal. Me need the vice principal. Fida 1% yeah. Me want back everything. Me want back school fee, all fee, bus fare, taxi money. Me want back everything. Mr. Shirley, me want back everybody. Everybody. My son Brighton and the team 40%. Man not the money for waste. Me want justice. Real justice. Real justice me need. Real justice. Me want justice. Shh. Oh God, him neck out me. Woo.
And I'm a 30 grand wedding, and a 30 grand dresser. I'm a 30 grand picture, and a 30 grand rotten at all. The contractor want back everything.
You said you had a complaint.